probably wouldn't have changed. I've just. Sorry, Dickie. I've got a potty mouth. You should get a swear jar. Oh, JT, you're rich by the time, JT.
Very rich anyway.
What swear word did I say? Fudge, JT.
Anyway,
Yeah, but yeah, luckily.
I need to give you that money. Jake.
Oh yeah.
I need to put money in the account. Amazing. Yeah, Train. Train. Look. Here he is. Gigi.
Wave, Dickie, wave. Hello. Might be like my mate Chris, his son, who's on the
Right,
train.
yeah.
Really?
Bye-bye. Good boy. Loud as you
Take it out of front of the wife. It's not as cold as this one. I think.
Sun's a bit warm.
Yeah.
But I think that it's still the wind. Are you wearing your, maybe they're in your sports trousers? Wearing your sports trousers. You must have had a cut on the right.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I was thinking, like, maybe I left him at the gym, but then I was like, there's no way I locked the lock. Go open the door, yeah. I think you're right.
Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
This one? This one only goes to Canary Wharf.
Yeah, we can carry on. It gets to that line and then it just turns, it goes back.
Really, JT?
It's got a pretend panel. So it's got pretend buttons.
Yeah, I know, that's what we were playing yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ready the buttons, ready, Jakey? Push the button. Ready? High speed, yeah.
Oh, we get if they were actual little buttons.
Ready? We're gonna go high speed. Boop. Yeah, well done, Jakey. Good boy. Wow, it's moving fast now. Boop, boop. Look, there's another train coming. Look. Whoa. Whoa. He's waving already. Another train. Look, it's the train. Train wave, Jakey wave. Hello.
This platform is for Canary Wharf. The next stop is Devons Road.
Cable thing I've never seen so live.
Yeah, I
I wanna
honestly
get
thought
back on it.
he hasn't even noticed. Like, I thought he wouldn't even notice it's on anything. He's always been quite like, yeah.
This is
That's not
Devons
my
Road.
He only does that when we're like that. He just copies us.
Yeah.
But maybe he's too young to sort of get secret side of us. Yeah, I think it was so easy to just go in and just walk on.
Yeah.
She didn't even look at your phone.
Yeah. Well, he looked at it was a phone.
She looked at your barcode.
Yeah. I shouldn't know that.
Just, we just screenshot that barcode and just keep using it.
Yeah. But then you've got the thing like, then you might check.
Yeah, one day she'll check, she'll be like,
We also ended at a really busy time, so I think it's just
yeah, exactly.
when we left, it was a lot quieter. So I checked it.
I mean, once you're past that area, you can go and do whatever you want.
Yeah.
But there's literally nothing. You know, maybe that plate, the big plate, because there's a light man in it.
Yeah, I think it's for special times.
Exactly, yeah. But apart from that,
Yeah.
all the gym, Smith, they use the kids' soft play, so you can get to soft play.
Yeah, you could definitely just pay for one and do the gym and swim.
Yeah.
No point paying for both.
Yeah, 100%. Or even take Jake for a swim.
Yeah.
I must go to the gym.
Yeah, we should do that next time. We should go earlier,
You ready for bed then?
then go for a swim while you take Jake for a swim. And then
If I were to pay for something, I want to swim.
This is Langdon Park.
it's £5.
£5.50 for swim. I think gym can go.
Will you pay for a swim for Jake? Or like, yeah, we can pay just for us to leave. Or I can go for a swim and take Jake to the pool, and then I can take Jake to Saturday and go to the gym.
Do you think that feels it's better than the later?
Yeah, DLR. Yeah, for me to swim.
Yeah.
But for him to swim,
This train is for
then the other one's better, but
the
the
next
other one's
stop is
absolutely free.
That's the argument, yeah, like
If
it's
it has
cold.
a splash pad, but they're both
Please remember to take all
really?
belongings with you.
So like, do you think the filming looks better quality? Do you think they like a bit more effort into it?
Yeah.
Wait, Jakey, wait. I ran like so much. Yeah, I was like, I can't miss it. It's half hour wait. I can't like risk missing it by like a second.
And it's
So I've got
got
that.
mine left early.
Mind
Because
the
I like
gap.
looked at my phone, it's
This is
43.
4 cents.
And I was like texting him. And I kept this. All it corrected a word or something. So by the time I said it was like 34, but it was like 40. It was literally like a whole minute early. Like it weren't like it wasn't like it left and then it turned 30. It was 44.
Yeah.
It was like I was on it for a while. Because I got on it at 42. And I thought, oh, well, it's probably like waiting for a bit. And then I didn't. Yeah.
My one carriage door I got on working and just closed. And everyone's panic run to the next one. And that one was full, so I had to go to the next one.
Hopefully they were looking.
Yeah, I think they would have been looking at some definitely do it. Some don't. Sarah's just so big, it's like totally different.
Yeah.
So different. I love it. Oh, wait,
The next stop is Poplar.
we're getting off Indian way, isn't it?
Spectrum, London City Airport. Tower Gateway. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your
Pretty sure
belongings with you.
Lovely today, isn't it?
Mind the gap. This is Poplar.
I wonder if there's like a healthy whole food place to get a little
Coming up, I'm slinging him up. Alright, is that alright?
I want to kick you off again.
No, you, stay.
really, I had some baby food. But
You do?
like, I had some types of normal ones. I found it brand new. M&S only really sell their own brand. Whereas Ocado sells M&S and another brand.
I've got 4 of those. Maybe
No,
I should
I'm
get.
just going to get one tonight.
Well, I was wondering if I get. Maybe try those tubes again. It was ill before.
Yeah, I'm going to choose dairy free.
I think the word there is pretty much. Yeah, I need to have a look.
Maybe stains for
This is
Well, son. Hold on.
the outfits, yeah? So as soon as they come in the room, obviously you can go in another room.
Jaden, wait for them to come.
East Canary Wharf Village train terminates, change it for Elizabeth Lines, Jubilee Lines, Lewisham Services, please the line to your left, and a big happy birthday to Jaden. Yay! This is Canary Wharf Village. How long have you got? One more, I've got 3, then I've just got 2.